What's up, thrill nerds? I've got a little update for you as the park continues its construction. Here you see the T20 building. It's a huge food and beverage location, if you can tell. It's one of the biggest I've seen at any park. It's also got a great view of that straightaway right there through the grandstands. It should be a nice spot to watch a race if possible. Looks like a lot of the foundation is set for the log flume. A lot more land prep for all the other flat rides that are up this hill. Can't quite tell from the video, but this is a slight uphill area. We got Palindrome sitting at the top of the hill. Hopefully we'll get to see that testing soon. This area here is where Skylazer is going to go. Still quite a bit of work to do over here, but I think that we're going to start seeing more dedicated work in this area very soon. To the left of it is a parking garage that they're working on. It's mostly going to be for F1, but the park will be able to use it. One thing I gotta mention is the road has been shrunk just a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be pushed over, just kind of realigned, but it gives the park a little bit more room, especially around the T20 building there, where it looks like it kind of funnels into a tight spot. Just flying over the station area of the log flume there, you see all the footers getting in place. This area near Circuit Breaker has quite a bit of work still to do. The Circuit Breaker station is going up pretty quickly. The whole path under Circuit Breaker is going to be really cool. You're going to be able to walk kind of under the track there and get good views of the ride. But this area is also going to be where the S&S swing is and the drop tower. Another view of that road expansion for the park. Really, they've already torn out some of the asphalt there. It's always fun to see cars on the track when I'm visiting the site, and you can kind of go into the grandstands for the most part and watch some cars drive around. Now onto the ground for some views. Circuit Breaker Station's going up nicely. It's a big structure. It'll house some restrooms as well as a gift store as well as a queue. There's no built structure around the maintenance bay area for Circuit Breaker yet, but that's going to be going in soon. I haven't seen the tilt testing in quite a while. I'm going to assume they got it all calibrated. Here's a view from across Circuit of America's Boulevard. That T20 building is starting to work on its second floor here shortly. And here's the storage area. This is the big wave coaster that came from Myrtle Beach. There's some parts for the mini log flume. And S&S parts that have been here for a while. Alright, that really does it for today's video. I know not a lot has changed in the last month, but once things start going vertical across the park, I'll be out here pretty regularly to get some good video of it. Here's some pictures I got of the mini Miami and of the octopus ride. I thought that they were pretty cool to share. I appreciate everybody watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow along for Cotaland's construction.